Do you know what is the Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response and how it's related to meditation? The Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, ASMR, is a relatively new phenomenon that is gaining popularity all over the world. ASMR is often described as a tingling sensation that occurs in the head and scalp, but can also spread to other parts of the body. This sensation is usually triggered by certain sights, sounds, or even smells. ASMR has been linked to meditation, and many people say that it helps them to relax and even fall asleep. Some people also use ASMR videos to help them focus and concentrate. While the scientific jury is still out on ASMR, there is no doubt that it is a powerful and pleasant sensation that many people enjoy. If you're looking to experience ASMR, you'll need to learn about various meditation techniques. You can find plenty of instructional videos on ASMR online, but the best way to learn is by trial and error. Experiment with different techniques and see what works best for you. Once you find a method that works, stick with it and keep practicing. With enough practice, you'll be able to achieve ASMR at will. Do you want to know how to trigger the ASMR? Let me know in the comments. See us next time.